Hey guys, what's up? Today we're going to be looking at how YouTubers make money. So in this first section I'm going to look at the different ways and then we'll go into more detail. So the different ways. You have Google Adsense, you have brand deals, you have affiliate links, you have membership programs, you have merchandise, and you could also do other things like say make a movie and then put it on air television, or make a video game, go on tour. All of these different ways to make money, and there's different restrictions, different ways to do it. And so I'm going to start explaining some of the more common ways, and then you can look at the other ways by yourself because those really I don't have that much experience with. So the first one is Google AdSense. So if we look into it, it's those ads played before a video with like the yellow bar and the skip ad. So third parties bid on these to get certain lengths and certain amount of skip time. Like a 2-minute video with 30 seconds you have to watch and then you can skip, or a 15-second video you can't skip, or a 15-second video you skip after 5 seconds. All these different lengths and the skipping time. And then some of the money goes to YouTube as the company or Google, and some of the other money goes to the channel. So if I did this, I would get some of the money and Google would get some of the money. But to do this, or to get monetized, I should say, you have to have 4,000 watch hours in 1 year and 1,000 subscribers. So there's kind of that limit. The second one is brand deals. And so these include things like a video being based on a product, or part of the video dedicated to the brand getting shown off. These come in different ways, like a post in the background, a part that's used, or like a section of the video that's used to say, thanks to our sponsor, blah, blah, blah. And then all of these things, and the money goes straight to the channel. Skip out on YouTube/Google taking some of the money, like with Google AdSense. And the good thing for the viewer is they can skip around this by just kind of scrolling across. And you can also click when you're creating a video, like my video has an video thing, and it'll say at the start of the video, this video is sponsored. And so the next one that kind of goes with brand deals are affiliate links. So say you do a brand deal for a camera, right? And then they want these people to be able to find the camera easily. So they give you a link, you put that in the description of your video. And so what that does is if someone clicks on that link and then goes and buys that camera, the channel gets some of the money and the person buying it doesn't have to pay any extra. And so it's not going to be like a normal link. So if it's a link to Amazon, it won't be Amazon.com. It'll be some other link that reroutes you to the site, but tells the site that, hey, this person's from this channel, over here doing this. And so that helps. And you still get your product and you support your channel without having to lose out on something. And then the next one are things like membership programs. So these include, Google's program where they do that thing where they'll say like, here are, like $5 and you get to do whatever. Like Mr. Beast has this, some other creators have this. And there's also things that you can do like Patreon, where, as you can see, I've got their little icon here, where you subscribe and there's all these different, you can chat, you can, if you pay enough, you can, video conference and all those things. And with Google's program, it's really easy to join because the link is right next to the subscribe button on a video. And the last things are things like merchandise. These includes things like t-shirts, water bottles. It's a way for you to support your favorite channel and you get something in return. So say you buy a $30 t-shirt, you get a t-shirt, channel gets some of the money, but you still get something. And then kind of some of the other ways are making something for aired television, or also something like creating a video game, going on tour, all those different things that add up to get you money.